What's up, YouTube? It is another day, and if you haven't already noticed, yes, my face is rubbed up. I already let y'all know I got POR 15 on my face while painting the frame for the 77 Bronco, and that stuff does not come off. It's still all over my arms, but I was trying to get it off my face, and, well, there's even some on my neck still, and that stuff is terrible to come off. But anyways, we just had the proper thread repair kit show up. So let's go ahead and I'm going to show you guys how this works as far as doing the thread repair with one of these kits. Let me flip you around. So here's the kit, and the brand Healy Coil, like that's the brand name, I'm assuming, or whatever. This is just a different version of it, just one from Amazon. It'll work just fine. Let me get these out. Just a couple stage kit that you use to repair threads that have been pulled out or stripped out. And it's really nice because you can use the same size bolt that you originally were using. You don't have to step up a bolt, you know. So it's really cool in that regard. Here's our head stud. These threads, focus, got yanked out, and you know, because of my stupid mistake over tightening it. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna use this kit, and we're gonna drill it first. So we'll drill the hole with the provided bit, and then we will tap it with the provided tap, and then we will take one of these coils. It's got a tang on the end, and then that inserts into this tool here, this long question mark looking thing, and that tang goes, it holds it up in there, and then you thread it in with that, and once it's tight, once it's in, you take this other little tool, this little punch type deal, and you pop that tang right off, and then you're good to go. And then your threads are repaired, and you can use the original hardware in that hole. And there are some videos out on YouTube. Might go take a look at them if you guys are interested in different thread repairs. There's several different ways that you can do it. I like this the best, and it actually makes the threads, I could be wrong, but after watching some of the videos and stuff, it makes those threads actually stronger than they were originally inside this block or engine, whatever you want to call it. So this is a great way to do it. These don't take much to tighten. I just overdid it. So, all right. So first step, let's go ahead and pop this drill bit in. I'm gonna prop you guys up to get you a little bit of a viewing angle here, and we're gonna go ahead and drill those threads out. All right, guys. So I got us a little bit of penetrating oil, some tape, and these are just extra drill bits. So what I want to do, let's see, you guys see good there. That's best I can get. All right, so first, let's take these and make sure that they match. Perfect. Okay. Now, we got that. I don't want to drill too deep, and I should be definitely able to feel when to stop, but just to be safe, I'm going to take my bit. What I'm doing here is I'm just going to grab a small bit. I'm putting it right here. I'm just going to hold my finger. Got stuff on it. So I only want to go this far. About right there. Take this piece of tape. Make a little flag on here just so I know when to stop. This, like I said, this is not 100% necessary. You just got to know when to stop. So, bam. Okay. Next thing we want to do is we want to make sure, we're going to clean this out anyways, but let's just try to prevent anything from getting in here. Okay. And I'm just gonna spray a little oil on here so I don't make a mess. So all I do is spray a little oil on there. Make sure you're straight. Just let the bit do the work. You don't want to go ham on it. This one does not want to get tight. Come on. And it's better if you got a vise or something to put the engine in or somebody else to help you hold it. But we're doing this one solo right now. Now, doing that little bit of tape on there is fine, but you still want to make sure that you do go, if you're doing something shallow, you still got to do something that's going to take you deep enough to put this in there. I've never attempted to, and I don't know how you would shorten this if you only needed like half of a coil. You're going to need to use the whole thing, so we have plenty in there now. And tap is just going to go right in there. All right, well, let's do it with the drill. Just go nice and slow. All right, so got a little bit of oil on there, and let's go ahead. All right, cool. So now we have that done. We have new threads in. They look fantastic. Oh, I think we're good. So now we have that in, guys. We are going to grab, oops, I already had one. We're gonna grab our tool, and hopefully you guys can see. And there's a notch on the tool, and it goes right in like that. So then after we do this, we're gonna put it in, and we're gonna thread it. Nice and gentle. And they're nice and good. All right. So she's threaded in. Now, we will take our little punch. That's just going to go right in there. Make sure I got that. Just trying to get that little tang out. Okay, it's out of the way. All right, so now we've done that, we can thread our head stud right back in. Bam. Now we'll tighten that down and put the head on. Clean up our tools here a little bit so we can put this away. All right, and it is that easy. We'll just, like I said, we'll grab 2 nuts. We'll do the double nut method. We'll tighten those down a little bit, and then we'll throw the other ones in there. We'll clean this off, and then we will be able to put our new top end on. And these are plenty strong. So that's how you do a thread repair with the Healy coil or the generic version of the Healy coil. If you guys liked this content, please give me a thumbs up, subscribe. It really helps the channel, and I really appreciate it whenever I see you guys subscribing. I love to get you guys' comments and feedback. If you guys have anything for me, please let me know. I love to read and respond to all the comments. If you've seen something that you would have done different or you think that I should have done different, please let me know. Turn your notification bells on so you can stay up to date with all of our content, all the upcoming stuff with this quad, with the one that I haven't revealed yet, but it's kind of been in the background. You guys have seen that I'll be doing a proper reveal on what the plans are for that one soon. And we have some big stuff coming, like I said, for the Hummer. Let's see, what else do we got going on? The other bike that I'm going to be doing is my original one, the Grizzly 600. We're going to go through that and throw a new starter in there. Some new gaskets, got a little bit of a leak, a bad starter. So we got a lot of stuff coming up. Make sure you got your notification bells on. And again, thank you so much for watching. Like, subscribe, share, turn your notification bells, and we will see you next time.